How satisfying is this, guys? We're just mushing up an old laptop. Now look at that! Look at that! That's satisfying!
Oh,
That's so satisfying.
How many pieces coming through?
This is going to be good.
Oh,
That's satisfying! Dang. Yeah! Yeah. Don't do about
it says 2. 2.
Will he do it? Right there. Oh
Oh my god. Hey, I got you a present.
Hey, look, now I can replace the screen.
Can I get you it? This. Can I keep this, please?
Yeah.
I need it for something.
We replace the screen. That's all I gotta do is take this. Maybe.
You know what you do with this? You sandwich it in between 2 pieces of glass and you put it in a little frame. And it will magnify it and make the temperature. Oh, is there another one that came with it?
Look at the flag.
What's it say? I'm gonna make something and show you.
Hi. I don't think it's gonna work like this.
It's fine, I'm replacing it right now.
Oh, no, you're not. Look, it's just a fucking LED light. That's flash. Flash. Jump.
It's like blinding if you put it like this. Watch it do that.
Is that? That's LED light.
Alright, I'm gonna keep going. I've been on electric.
Holy fuck.
I'm surprised it's still on.
It's not even talking anymore. They fucked it up. Well, this thing would be living a good life.
Sorry,
Bob, we're sorry. We had to get rid of you. Take these fucking LED lights out.
I don't think it's gonna come out. They might.
Have you cussed on YouTube and not been demonetized? How?
I don't know, have you been demonetized?
Nope.
Because we don't have very many subscribers.
Oh.
Did you see the smoke come off of it? You ready?
Yeah.
It's like whenever you break, you know, during the Christmas tree, or the Christmas lights. Whenever you break one, it's like they're in a series, and the rest of them go.
That's fucking bright.
One of them exploded whenever it went off, and it smells weird.
Alright, time to unplug it.
Nope, nope. Aw, what the fuck, dude? I'm gonna get electrocuted now.
Yeah, well, you're good. That's just redneck central right here, boys.
I'm up so high.
Doing stupid shit every goddamn fucking day, right?
Evening. Morning.
Evening.
What is it?
All day, every day.
What time is it?
4 o'clock in the morning.
I gotta be home. I just remembered my sister subscribed.